Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The cornstarch absorbs the moisture of the sweet potatoes and creates the most delicious crunchy outer layer on the sweet potato fries. Here's a tip to don't skip the cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, we recommend using tapioca flour. 12 February 2020.
Take our lead.
How to substitute cornstarch. Use flour. Flour can easily be used in a pinch. Use arrowroot. Made from the root of the plant of the same name, this type of starch is an easy one-to-one substitution for cornstarch. Use potato starch. Use tapioca flour. Use rice flour. The 17th of August 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.